Buying a home can be stressful and confusing time for many home buyers, but it doesn't have to be that way. Hi there, I'm Cara with MCL Funding, and in this video, I'm going to share 5 simple things you can do before you buy a home. Tip number 1, get your credit report and scores for free. To get a home loan, there are several factors that come into play, but your FICO or credit score is the most important. You can check your credit report and get your scores online for free. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires each of the nationwide credit reporting agencies, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, to provide you with a free copy of your credit report at your request once every 12 months. Once you have your credit report, be sure to review it and check for any errors. Tip number 2, look for errors on your credit report. Mistakes on credit reports are bigger issues than you may realize. If you do find inaccuracies, you can dispute them with the 3 major bureaus. They have 30 days to investigate your dispute. If they find that any item in question is inaccurate, they will correct it. The higher the score, the more likely you are to get pre-approved for a home loan, so check out what you can do to improve your score. Tip number 3, improve your score before applying. A few points difference in your credit score can be the difference in whether you are qualified for a home loan or not. There are a few things that you want to do to increase your scores. Number 1, pay down the balances on your credit cards. Your credit utilization ratio is your credit limit divided by your credit card balances. The ratio accounts for 30% of overall credit score. Only payment history has been triggered by that impact. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000 and your balance is $6,000, your utilization ratio is 60%, which is remarkably high. The lower the credit card balances are, the higher your credit score rating will be. Some credit experts advise keeping your balances below 20% of your credit card limit. The next thing you can do is to make all your payments on time. 35% of your score is based on your payment history, so it's important that you pay all of your bills on time. If you're a forgetful person, then you can set up an auto pay with your creditors, so you never miss a payment. If you're wanting to buy a home, do not apply or open any new credit. This means hold off on buying that new car or opening that credit card until after you close on your mortgage. Tip number 4, check your savings. You will need a certain amount of cash in the bank to buy a home. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, then it's probably not the ideal time for you to apply for a loan. There are more upfront costs associated with getting a mortgage loan besides down payment. There are costs and fees that you will need to pay to the appraiser, the lender, and the title company. So when you need to make sure that you have enough cash on hand when you get ready to close. One of the most important things that you should do before looking for a home is to get pre-approved. Number 5, the pre-approval means that you have completed the mortgage application and the mortgage lender has checked your credit and verified your income and assets. You will need to submit documentation verifying your income, assets, savings, and your lender will be able to help you through this process. Most sellers today will not even consider an offer from a buyer who has not already been pre-approved. So plan on meeting with your mortgage lender before you go shopping for your home. Buying a home is exciting, and there's a few simple things that you can do before starting that will help you through the process. Thanks for watching. This is Cara at MCL Funding. You can connect with me at 813-309-5626, or my email is Cara with a C, C-A-R-A at mclfunding.com, or also my website is www.mclfunding.com. Please contact me with any questions you may have so I can get you pre-approved to find your new home. Thanks for watching.